The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern King County in northeastern Illinois, western DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Maple Park to Canton Hills to Elgin, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Schaumburg, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, St. Charles, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Canton Hills, and Roselle. This includes Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Aurora University, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Family Lab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, Walton C Community College, Wheaton College, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather.